And the Trump administration examining the records of over 55 million people who are currently in the U.S. on a valid U.S. visa. But what exactly are they looking for? And like you said, what is qualified as a violation of immigration rights that could possibly lead to deportation? We sat down with an immigration attorney who breaks it all down for us.
The Trump administration is looking for any violation that could lead to deportation.
Immigration attorney for Griffith Immigration Law here in Baltimore, Haley Blitzstein, speaking with us just hours after the Trump administration announced it's reviewing the records of more than 55 million people in America who are here on valid U.S. visas, which allow for a temporary stay for non-U.S. citizens for a specific period of time and purpose. The State Department says they're looking for possible deportable violations.
So what this could look like is people who came to the United States on a valid visa and then overstayed, which can lead them to be charged in immigration court as overstaying their visa. Or somebody who has been convicted of a criminal offense, or who the government deems as a threat to public safety, or who engages in terrorist activity or has any allegations of that.
But Blitzstein says it could also be something small that sends someone to court.
Let's say you came here on a valid visa and your visa expired yesterday and today you got pulled over for speeding, then yes, you can be charged as overstaying your visa, even if it was just one day, and be placed into immigration court.
But she says they're still ironing out exactly what this process will look like.
I don't know how long it's going to take, but 55 million people is a lot of people. We don't know if the administration has the time, the resources, or the money to do that. We don't know exactly what this process is going to look like, but we're definitely going to find out, and we will be there to help our clients every step of the way.
And the announcement is still very fresh. Now, Blitzstein there, she recommends anyone who's holding any type of visa, she says a work visa, school visa, travel visa, they're the most common ones, to seek legal advice. That is what she recommends. As developments come in, though, we'll be sure to update you. Live tonight, I'm Tori Yorgi at WBAL TV 11 News.